using beef round, which is quite a tough cut. This muscle group in the rear leg section exercises quite a lot, so it is tough to chew. So we're gonna tenderize it before cooking. First, we have to cut the beef into pieces, about 2 centimeters wide. And we have to make sure we cut against the muscle fiber, so we can make the fiber shorter and easier to chew.
I should have put a wet towel under the cutting board, otherwise it will move like crazy as you can see in the video. We use half a tablespoon of baking soda to dissolve in 1 bowl of water.
This slightly alkaline solution will help the meat fiber to loosen up and retain more water during the cooking process, which means the meat will be tenderer with more juice after cooking. Rinse the meat with running water so the alkaline solution will be washed away. Dry the meat with towel paper so it will be easier for the meat to absorb the marinade.
We use 1 teaspoon of salt, black pepper, and Chinese cooking wine to marinate the meat. And finally, we add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and oil that helps soften the meat after the cooking process. We need to fry the meat for 2 to 3 minutes before stir frying with the broccoli. For some crunchy broccoli, we put it into a boiling water for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we put it into ice water. This stops the cooking process of the broccoli. That's what makes the broccoli crunchy. First, we preheat the pan for 30 seconds, and then we put 1 cloves of garlic into hot oil. After draining the water of the broccoli, we can add it into the pan to fry it. So in the middle of the cooking process, we can add our second times of garlic and the green and red pepper. This will give an even more garlicky flavor to the dish. And then we add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce onto the side of the pan, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we can add the beef into the broccoli to stir fry it all together. Finally, we add the cornstarch solution to make the sauce thicker, and it will give a glossy finish to the dish. It looks great. At the end of this video, I'm going to summarize all the tips I mentioned. First, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 700 ml water to tenderize tough beef cuts, and let it sit for 15 minutes. And after that, you will see the meat will get bigger in size and getting a bit pale in color. Remember not to put too much baking soda on the meat because it will make the meat alkaline and taste like soup. Tips number 2. Use running water to remove baking soda left on the beef. Again, as the baking soda solution is a bit alkaline, it won't taste good if there's too much left on the meat. And tips number 3, put broccoli in boiling water for 2 minutes and cool it down with ice water. The broccoli will be crunchy and retain its green color. And adding garlic separate over 2 times give even richer garlicky flavor to the dish. Tips number 5, adding soy sauce on the side of the hot pan. It will give a more unique fragrance. Tips number 6, this is a very usual Chinese cooking technique. It is using cornstarch solution that gives a glossy finish to the dish and retain more sauce on the broccoli, so it will be taste good.
And thank you for watching the very first video of this channel. Please like and subscribe because I will put on a new video every single week. See you soon guys.